Hello, GDP community. This is our CSM update, sprint update. We're here to give you that, just give you insights on what has happened the past couple of 2 weeks, exciting things, and maybe not the not so exciting things as well. My name is Penny, CSM at GDP, and I'm also joined by Mutale, who will start us off.
Hello, GDP community. I hope you're all doing well. So this first sprint was just basically creating new content to bringing new active users onto the application. Because right now we have exhausted our database, which we're relying on to call clients and message clients from. So right now, I'm solely focused on creating new content to kind of share with clients and for them to actively use the application. Just to kind of like be always on their minds and say, okay, yeah, there's actually the GDP application that I can actually get Inkwashi updates from, and also message us if they have any inquiries or require any information. So basically, that's what we've been focusing on. And then we also want to realign with the sales consultants at Inkwashi, because we feel like that's one thing that hasn't been tapped when it comes to achieving weekly active users. We feel that the sales consultants are constantly in contact with Inkwashi clients and who are constantly coming into the showroom for inquiries would really help us gain our weekly active users, gain new users to use the application, because they do have access to CRF forms, which is a client request form that they use every day in the showroom. And then there's also the check-in at the showroom kiosk. So I'm hoping to really realign with the two sales consultants and kind of bringing new active users through that side of things. So I'll let Penny bring up the other point.
Thanks, Mutale. So as she said, we've been trying to get new content and just see, what is it that will get active users onto the application? What is it that will retain users that are already there? And the one content that we sent out last week is actually a very exciting interview. It's with one of Nkwashi's contractors. So basically what Nkwashi does is that when you buy land from them, they can also build your house. And so in building your house, they have contractors or a list of contractors. And so we spoke to one of their contractors, which is Eligo Zambia. We spoke with Elia, who is the managing director at Eligo, and he just gave us insights on how the process goes and how who he's working with currently. And that was very exciting because the response from clients was actually quite amazing. In addition to that, we saw a spike in our weekly active users numbers like we've never seen before, if I may. So that was pretty exciting. On the other hand of that was that to align with what Mutale was saying in regard to their marketing team and aligning our content with that, was that obviously we might have not done a few things right during the interview. And so there was that sit down that we had with Nkwashi where they actually made us understand to say, this is how to align with the brand standards and this is what the brand guidelines, basically, this is what we would require. It was a great video, but moving forward, this is how we're going to work. And I'll tell you what, it was quite exciting because now we know what to do and how to do it right. And so with that, we're also hoping to yield weekly active users, to retain clients, etc., etc. So that was a very exciting, it's been a very exciting sprint for us. We've gotten out of it a lot of learnings, and it's been exciting engagement with clients as well. So it's been exciting. Yeah, anything else you'd like to add?
That's pretty much it from us.
All right, so we'll catch you next time as we give our CSM Sprint. Thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye.
Bye.